breakfast.
Manly. Fancy fancy. On the way to the mountains.
And we're not sure if the freeway's closed.
We're not sure if it's open. But it's raining.
It's coming down hard.
Yeah. It's a beautiful day outside though.
It's so pretty. I really hope we can make it up there because it's supposed to have heavy snow.
Yeah. The snow, the rain just picked up more. Well, it was closed.
Yeah.
Well, it's not closed. We needed snow chains.
Yeah.
So the next best thing is gonna be the park. Ooh, we got a burrito, so she leaked a little bit, so
She's greasy.
she's greasy.
Aye.
Yeah.
Alright. Here, let me get that.
It's unfortunate, but what can we do, right?
Yeah. I'm not about to risk it for some snow. You want me to just bust it in half?
Oh yeah. Oh, they didn't cut it. Wait.
Yeah. Alright, well, I'll take the big half.
Yeah. What type of
It looked good. Sausage, egg, cheese, and potato.
Oh, okay.
And they're not French fries this time. They give us real potatoes.
Nice. Alright, cheers.
I'm so hungry.
Always. So we came to the park that we like to come to.
We call it the Dinosaur Park.
Yeah. It's called Centennial Park or something like that. This boy is itching to go.
Where you want to go, Mally?
Mally said I wanted to go to the mountains.
Yeah. Us too.
It was so pretty though.
It was a nice drive at least. Gonna follow him around. Finally replaced these butterflies, so when it's sunny there's shade.
Oh wow, they did, huh? wants to rain so bad.
Oh my god, dude. It was raining this morning, real good.
Yeah.
It's just teasing us now. It's the clouds are dark. Dark. But they don't want to drip.
But it did say it was going to be a 70% chance of rain. So.
Yeah. And when it's a 14% chance of rain, it's like coming down. 70%
Yeah, we'll see.
dry.
And then there's a line at the pharmacy, so we'll see how long it takes. I'm excited for this tomato soup.
You like my tomato soup?
Yeah.
Wow. I started making soups in the winter time a few years ago. Everybody seems to enjoy it.
It's good.
I'm not a huge soup person.
My favorite is the chicken noodle soup.
Oh. We'll get to that soon.
We made sandwiches to go to the mountain, but we forgot it when we were like deep in the rain already on the highway. But it's alright, now we get to eat it.
Yeah. We completely left it at home this morning.
Yeah, it was like...
It was a whole bust. The mountains were blocked off. We forgot the sandwich.
Literally had it like ready.
Everything. And this is how you meal prep a sandwich.
I know.
Just put it all together.
Bro. It's okay though. We went with bolillo bread.
Mm-hmm.
Go ahead, you first. Or you want me to go first?
Go ahead.
So what do we have on our sandwiches?
Have lettuce, tomato, red onion, turkey, ham, provolone, and I think it's Colby Jack cheese as well. And then mustard and mayo. So like a whole regular cold cut.
Yeah, I do love me mayo.
Nothing crazy.
No, it started to rain hard right now, which is nice.
I can't imagine what the mountains look like.
I guess it's a good thing that it got closed, because imagine being up there right now.
I think we would have been fine. We got the big car with us.
That's
so.
true, yeah.
I'm over here like a savage doing it on the counter.
I know you guys.
My plate is right there. Sorry, chat. Mmm. Mm-hmm. Oh, avocado.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm. So I'm just gonna start with some canned tomatoes. Throw this on burrito. That's how you know it's crispy. Is it good?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, it's so hot. I'm drinking our water that was supposed to go to the mountains with us. Oh my gosh, it's bomb.
It's so good.
It's really good. Not to toot my own horn.
It's so good. And then the
Mm-hmm.
and the sandwich. Mm-hmm. It's been a pretty chill weekend so far.
Yeah. Tomorrow, I have physical therapy.
Yeah. We're planning to do the cookies today, but the cookie cutter shapes hasn't come in, so we're gonna do that tomorrow.
Yeah.
Unless we got time later, I don't know.
Yeah.
We can still show up. And then meal prep.
And then one of you commented on our last video, Burnt X Toast says that his favorite taco place in town is Taqueria Casa del Sabor No. 2. And his order is 1 carne asada quesadilla and 2 chicken tacos. His favorite hands down. So let me tell you what, we're going to go check it out tomorrow.
Yeah, I'm actually excited for that.
Yeah.
Even though we just ate so many tacos.
I don't care. I love tacos.
We're about to go eat more tacos.
Mexican food, Asian food, give it to us.
Mm-hmm. Guess what came in, y'all? Literally as we were eating dinner.
Moments later, they showed up.
I'm excited.
We've never done sugar cookies
We've never done sugar cookies. And then we're gonna color the frosting.
Oh, yeah, I forgot about that part.
So we'll see how that goes.
Ooh, this is going to be a mess.
Oh, yeah. So I started rolling her out and she started cracking.
Mm-hmm.
Like that.
Mm-hmm.
So... Maybe I can't do it that thin. Let's read the directions, huh? Wow!
No way, bro. Reading the instructions actually did something?
Wow!
What do we have to do, babe?
Add flour. That's a lot of flour.
Yeah, a quarter cup. It seems like it would dry it out a lot, but it's what the package says. Oh, that feels nice.
Oh, it does.
Oh my god, I'm supposed to be making colored frosting right now.
I know. This took over. Red, yellow, and green.
Mm-hmm. And then orange.
And then orange.
Uh-huh.
And then brown.
Okay. Red, yellow, green, orange, brown. 5.
Oh, that's a good red. We'll do the turkey first. You ready?
Oh.
I like the leaves.
I'm not gonna lie, this might be the way. They're gonna come out so sharp.
Oh no.
Where's the pumpkin?
Do 2. 2. Oh, an apple then?
Quickly.
Quickly. Work quickly.
Yeah. We made cookies, you guys.
Should have done that from the start.
Mm-hmm. That's sugar cookies.
So this is how ugly they are right now. Alright, we're gonna let this cool and we're gonna play the game.
Alrighty.
We really wanted to ride around one of the big arc enemies, and after hours of trying, here are some of the clips we got. We finished our colors. So we got the red that we made on camera,
Yellow.
the brown,
Green.
and orange. I've never done this before, so.
Me neither.
We got some sprinkles. This one seems more like Christmas, but it's alright. And then we got some toothpicks. And that's to like, when you outline, you use a toothpick to like even out the icing. To even out the icing.
You're gonna have to show me that trick.
Okay.
Do you guys have holiday like rituals?
Traditions, rituals.
Same thing. Traditions, rituals.
Melly's is to groke. Got it? That's it, no?
We don't have a whole lot of traditions from like our families,
Yeah.
so we're kind of coming up with them as we go and enjoying trying stuff new.
Yeah.
Alright, what are you starting on?
I don't know.
I definitely want to start with the pumpkin.
How about I do the acorn?
Is the pumpkin stem green or brown?
Ooh. I'm gonna put this right here. And I'm gonna start with the acorn. No. I'll start with the leaf. My broken leaf.
This is fun. These are so cute.
They are.
We messed up the cookies.
So, you guys saw. You guys saw.
Oh, that looks good. So what are you doing with it exactly? Are you're just making it not lines?
Yeah, you just have to like just smooth out your icing.
Yeah, give me the green. Put you to work then. If you're good.
Alright. This is my first one, y'all. What you think, baby?
Oh, that looks really good. I can almost get it over there, but I can't quite.
Just tell me
Is
to
this
give
the
you the
green
bucket.
stick?
That's the brown stick.
That's the brown stick. Almost used the brown stick.
That turkey's gonna be hard to do.
I know, that's why I gave it to you.
Wow. This one's gonna come out nice because it's on the tip. Maybe.
How am I gonna do this? I gotta just make it all red.
What?
The yapple.
Yapple.
Oh god, it's coming out the side of the tip.
Oh no! So my vision was, this is a leaf that's turning colors.
Yeah.
Yeah. I don't know if it's coming through.
Blend them more, but give me the green. Give it a swirl on the lines.
What you need now?
Not sure. Trying to get the yellow in there.
Yellow
And the brown.
Got you
Oh.
one? You need all of them?
No, let me get all the colors over here. You take this back. Just take this back. I'll take one of them. I'll take one. What's up, bud?
He says, I know you got food. Well, I like that. Looks like a leaf that is turning. Alright. I'm on my lasty bombasty.
Me too.
We're quiet because we're concentrating.
I know, huh? We're decorating these cookies. Shouldn't have put brown, green, and red next to each other.
What happened?
Can't fucking see it. And here's my cookies. And these are Karla's.
Good morning. So, Adam's at therapy, so I'm gonna go get some of the Christmas stuff.
It's meal prep time!
And this week we're having Cajun chicken with mushrooms and rice. So to start, I have my chicken marinated in Lowry's herb and garlic marinade, and I also added some Cajun seasoning in there. So I have my pan nice and hot. I'm gonna put a little bit of oil, swirl it around. Oh yeah, that's hot. And while the chicken's cooking, I'm gonna get started on my mushrooms. I'm gonna give these a good wash. Alright. And these I'll put in a bowl. Next up, red onion. I have almost a whole red onion and I'm just gonna cut it in little strippies. Break those up so they're not all big chunks. This week we're using basmati rice. And I'm gonna start working on my vegetables. So I have my pan nice and hot. Go ahead and drop them in. I'm gonna let these sweat down for a little bit. Okay, you can see most of the water has come out, so we're gonna start adding some stuff. I'm gonna hit it with a little bit more oil. Of course, our beloved garlic. That kind of settled in. Alright, now these are good like that, but I'm gonna go ahead and I like to put some red wine. And let that simmer down. Also just a splash of soy sauce. And of course, red pepper flakes. Give these one more taste. That's it.
Alrighty, so everything is done. We got our chicken, mushrooms, and our rice. So I'm gonna start with the rice. I'm gonna do half a cup of the cooked rice into my bowl. And then I will do my chicken next. And then finally the mushrooms. And that's the meal prep for the week. Alright, let me do the rest. Ready? It's a different day and we're gonna close off the vlog by trying out one of your guys' order at a local taco shop.
One that we actually like to go to sometimes. It's the one on Bonanza. Casa del Sabor #2 apparently.
Yes.
So one of you guys, Burnt X Toast, said that he likes to get the carne asada quesadilla
That looks good.
Yeah, it does. Smell good too.
And the 2 chicken tacos.
Oh, tacos, baby. Let's give them a shot.
Yeah. And then for a drink, we got a pineapple agua fresca. What do you want to try first?
I'm gonna hit the lemon on everything and the lime. And then...
We already know this is gonna be good.
Yeah, this is gonna be
This
fire.
is gonna be
This is
good.
a good order. This is a good order right here. Got a little bit extra for later.
You want the red or you want that one?
I'll try both. I'm gonna do... Is it orange? I'm gonna do orange on this half. And I'll do red on that half.
I'll do green.
Oh, is it green, not red?
That
You
one's
said red.
well, that one's red, but it's
Oh, this is red?
yeah, it's like an orangey.
Sauce look good.
Yeah. Ooh, I'm so excited. I'm hungry.
Green sauce look good.
You can't go wrong with chicken tacos.
Just giving us another excuse to eat tacos.
Yeah.
The red orange sauce, fire. Nice and spicy, nice and thick.
Yeah. This is chopped up chicken and it's pretty good.
Yeah.
It's got dark meat and white meat in there, which not
That
spicy.
green sauce, it's good. You can taste the chilies in there. Like I don't know what about it, but you really can taste the chilies in that one.
All right.
Yeah.
I'm ready for the carne asada quesadilla. That looks bomb.
It looks so good. Switch out.
I was gonna use this plate.
Oh,
So.
that works. Oh, let me use this. I don't want to eat over the food. Go ahead, get one.
I'll get this one.
Oh, you want lemon? Lime?
Yeah. This looks like a good quesadilla. It's got a lot of cheese and a lot of carne asada.
Yeah, it's nice and hefty.
Yeah. Oh, you want one of the sauces?
Yeah, give me the green one. Oof.
That's some good cheese.
Good cheese, good carne asada. Nice tortilla. I can't get over the sauce.
Hey, you like it, huh?
Those chilies are so good.
Alright guys, thank you for watching.
And thank you for liking, subscribing, and commenting.
And we'll see you next time.
Bye.